Every now and then, I have to think about how you left me. Oh, I know you had to leave, but it's just too bad you left the way you did. And now I have to think about that. At night, I still remember the depot. And you know I still remember the train. And as the smoke began to drift around the bend, I kind of said to myself, never again. There goes the train, taking my love away from me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There goes the train, taking my love away from me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I never thought I'd be standing on these tracks, waving to a love that's never coming back. Ooh, ooh, ooh. As tears begin to rise, water start to flow, and now I realize I'll never see her anymore. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There goes the train, taking my love away from me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There goes the train, taking my only love away. Bye bye. I don't know where she's going, don't know why she had to leave. All she asked for was just one ticket, please. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Getting down toward Miami. Now I don't know where she's going. No, 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 no. All I know is she left me behind. What a shame, what a shame. Now I'm hoping she'll come to her senses. Further on down the line. I guess the truth has come, I got to face the fact. The train that brought my love is taking my love back. Ooh, ooh. Taking my love away. And I remember that. I remember that day. I remember that day you left me. I remember that day you left me alone. I remember that day you left me alone and I cried for you. I remember that day you left me alone and I cried for you all night long, all night long. Nobody to talk to me. And everybody in town wonder why I'm not with you, babe. Because I'm too proud to say that you left me in the midnight hour. I'm just too proud to say that you left me at a time when I needed you most. There goes the train, taking my love away